Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about DHgate shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to delete your shipping address from your DHgate shopping app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your DHgate shopping app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Go ahead and click on shipping address. Next thing you want to do is to click on the address that you want to delete. Next thing you want to do is to click on here. Go ahead and click on delete right here. Are you sure you want to delete this address? Go ahead and click on OK. And the address will be deleted from your address section on your DHgate app. It's that simple. For more tutorial about this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you